everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to look number 2 for this series. I focused heavily on the black and white, and I added a little bit of red on the shirt so that it's still in theme. But here is my painted person, painted picture look. That's all I can think of for this. I even have a prop. And yeah, this look was super easy. I do give you guys some tips at the end, but just to mention now, I do recommend using the sponges for these big blocks of black and white, and then going in with a brush to do all the line work. Just because I do have this line of separation here that I don't like. But anyways, if you guys want to see how to get this super easy look, then please keep on watching. This is a picture that I'm going to be referring to, and as you can see, most of the face is white with black detailing, and I like that because this look looks like you put so much more effort than you actually did. It's pretty easy because most of the face is white, so you could literally paint your entire face white and then add the details, or you can do what I'm going to do, and I'm actually going to kind of outline where the white is and then leave all the dark spaces blank, just as a guide for me to fill in with the black. So I'm just going to draw the first portions, which is white from the middle of the eyebrow over to the side of the face, up and around the chin, and to the corner of the mouth, and then I will fill it in. So I'm just going to do that real quickly, and I'll be back to explain the rest. Okay, so I have the initial shape, and I was going to draw every single white section as it should be, but I think it might be easier for me to just paint my whole face white and then afterwards draw in all the black details over the white, just so that, I don't know, it's just, that seems easiest to me. So I'm just going to fill pretty much this entire part of my face up with white, and then part of this section over here, and then we'll get into the black details. Done with the white. As you can see, I pretty much painted my entire face white, and now for the black details, I am going to start with this side of my face. It's the one that just seems the easiest because I can just paint it. The rest is a little more detailed and will require a little bit of a steadier hand, and let's just hope that I can do that. So I'm going to fill in this side, and then I'll be right back. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you will also have to paint most of your neck black, so it might be smart to wear maybe a black shirt with this look, or a black dress, or just, a black garment, so that it's not, you're not staining your clothes with the black paint. Okay, so I finished this side of my face, and I went around the jaw, but I didn't go all the way down just because I don't want to mess up my sweater. I will touch that up later. Now I'm going to move on to this eye, and I'm going to use eyeliner just because she does do a winged liner, and I'm not about to do that with paint. So I'm just going to do a quick wing and just the details around the eye with eyeliner, and then the rest I will still do with black paint. The picture when I zoom in is a little bit blurry, so from what I could get, they did a winged eyeliner like I did, and then they did this kind of, I don't know, wing here in the middle, so that's what I did. And I'm gonna add a dot to the inner corner because that's what they did as well. Now all I'm gonna do is trace my eyebrows like the natural shape, and I'm just gonna fill them in with black paint. And then from there, about like, I don't know, the first third of my eyebrow, I'm gonna take that down towards my nose, and then from the start of my eyebrow, take that down to meet that other line, so it creates kind of like a triangle in the front of my brows. And then from that triangle, I'm going to create a crease on my eye. I hope I explained that well. Alright, I finished the eye. It did take me quite some time because the crease was kind of hard. I actually still have to adjust it, but the paint is too wet to try to do anything. So now what I want to do is I'm going to draw on the beauty mark, and then I'm going to focus on this eyebrow and the nose. So for the eyebrow, it's pretty much the same thing, except instead of drawing the triangle like on your eye, you just kind of go straight down to your nose. Okay, I have that done. Of course, my eyebrows are not even. They never are, but that's okay. I will have to touch up the black a little bit later, or like always, I'm most likely going to set it with black eyeshadow to make it more opaque. And now I'm going to do the lips because that's the next thing that's like really structured. And then for this side of my face that I still have to fill, I'm actually going to go in with a sponge because that'll give me that kind of like shadowy, smoked look that this character has. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna add some detail to this eye, most likely just mimicking this like little crease, and then I will be back to kind of explain what I did. I also kind of messed up on the nose. I'm gonna clean up this like bottom bit because I feel like it just looks weird. I should have just stuck to like the bottom of my nose instead of trying to add all this extra. And I'm going to fill that in with white. That is pretty much it for the face. Some things that I did differently to the picture is that I think she had more detail on this eye. All I did was draw like a crease, and then for the eyeliner on the inner corners, I actually brought in the top eyeliner in a little bit so that it creates like a point, just so it's a little more cohesive with like the point on the bottom. And then that's pretty much it. I used a sponge to go in with the black on this side, and once the sponge was a little drier or there wasn't as much paint, I took it and I started kind of like dragging it like that to create these like softer edges between the black and the white on this side. And that's pretty much it. One more thing I have to do is add a little bit of white detail to the lips. So I'm going to do that on camera right now. Just like that. And now I'm going to wait for this to dry. I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to put on an outfit or just a different top, and then I'm also going to fill in all of the black on the neck, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, I am officially done. So I don't have a plain black shirt with such a high neck, so this is what I'm going to settle for. I did paint my neck. All I did was twist the sides of my hair back, and then I took some eyeshadow to kind of fill in the gaps. Oh, I put on some eyelashes. Can you see the eyelashes? They're so long. Let me see if I can get like a side. Do you see that? Look at those eyelashes. I got these at Walmart. They were only $2.98, and they are the Frightening Lashes in the style Mesmerizing. They are so long, but they're so fun for these looks. I'm trying to think if I did anything else. I set everything with black eyeshadow. Oh, I filled in my ears with some black eyeshadow since they were showing through my hair, or like since I pinned my hair back. But yeah, that's the finished look. You could paint your whole body or wear a black turtleneck. That'd be really cool. And as a prop, I have a prop for this one. I just have a frame, and I'm going to do this for the thumbnail, and it's just... Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was educational or helpful in any way. This is such a cool look. Like I said, it's so easy, honestly, as if you use a sponge to do all of the white and then a sponge to do the black, filling in the eyebrows and the nose and the lips is going to be so easy peasy. I don't tend to practice these looks beforehand, so then I'm kind of figuring it out as I'm doing it. So like here, you can see the line, the white line, from when I outlined it. So it's not super clean, but if you were just to like fill in your face with a white sponge and then go over with the black sponge, you'd avoid that line and it'd look a lot smoother. But anyways, I'm just so excited for this one. This looks so cool. I'm like looking in the monitor and it's like, what is that? Anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful. If you want to see more videos, then don't forget to subscribe. And I have one more look coming at you this week. I actually have a full like outfit for that one too. So anyways, I'll see you guys then. Bye!